Hello everyone, today we are going to go over importing contacts into DialMyCalls. To get to the Contacts section, click on Contacts. Click on Upload List and select your Excel file that is an XLS or CSV file. You can see a sample on the right-hand side of the screen. Once you've opened your file, you will see a preview window and each column will need to be assigned. Keep in mind that a 10-digit phone number is the only required column and the rest of the information is completely optional. You are also able to add this contact list into a contact group to keep them organized. Once you are done, click on Import this list. You will now see all of those numbers are available in your DialMyCalls account and are ready to be sent a broadcast. That wraps up our video on importing contacts into DialMyCalls. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086. Our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.